The blue sky stretches above us, a vast expanse full of possibility. It's a canvas of dreams, where every cloud holds a story of human ambition and innovation. For decades, we've marveled at our ability to take to the skies, to defy gravity and soar above the earth. This marvel has connected us with distant lands, allowing us to bridge cultures, economies, and hearts. The airplane has become a symbol of freedom and exploration, offering us a new perspective on our world, one that is both breathtaking and humbling. From the window seat, cities look like intricate tapestries, and landscapes unfold like grand paintings. But our love for aviation has come at a cost. The convenience and speed of air travel have left a significant mark on our environment. The roar of jet engines, while signifying progress, also carries with it the weight of environmental concern. The emissions from these engines contribute to climate change, affecting the very skies we cherish. However, there's a new sound on the horizon, a whisper of change that promises a brighter future for aviation. This change is not just a dream, but a tangible reality taking shape. It's the sound of sustainable aviation fuel, or SAF, a revolutionary fuel source that has the potential to transform the way we fly. SAF is derived from renewable resources, making it a cleaner alternative to traditional jet fuel. This innovative fuel source is not just a concept, but a practical solution that can be implemented today. It represents a significant step forward in reducing the carbon footprint of aviation. Imagine a world where we can explore our planet without leaving a heavy carbon footprint, where the skies remain clear and the landscapes pristine. In this world, the joy of travel is no longer tainted by environmental guilt. We can look out of airplane windows and see a world that we are helping to preserve. This is the promise of SAF, a promise of innovation and responsibility. It's a commitment to future generations, and it's a future worth striving for. The development and implementation of SAF involve the collaboration of scientists, engineers, and policymakers, all working towards a common goal. Join us as we delve into the world of sustainable aviation fuel, exploring the science, the technology, and the people behind this groundbreaking innovation. Discover how SAF is poised to revolutionize the aviation industry, making air travel more sustainable and environmentally friendly. Together, we can pave the way for a cleaner, greener future for generations to come, ensuring that the skies remain a symbol of hope and possibility. Sustainable aviation fuel, or SAF, is not your average fuel. It's a cleaner, greener alternative to conventional jet fuel, and it's made from sustainable resources. Unlike fossil fuels, which are extracted from the earth and contribute to greenhouse gas emissions, SAF is produced from renewable sources. These sources can include used cooking oil, agricultural waste, and even municipal solid waste. This means that SAF has a significantly lower carbon footprint than traditional jet fuel, reducing carbon emissions by up to 80% over its life cycle. It's a game changer for the aviation industry, offering a viable path to reduce its environmental impact and contribute to a more sustainable future. The beauty of SAF lies in its ability to transform waste products into valuable resources. It's a revolutionary step in the quest for sustainable energy solutions. Imagine taking used cooking oil from restaurants, which would otherwise be discarded and contribute to environmental pollution, leftover plant matter from farms, which often goes to waste after harvest, or even household garbage, things we typically discard without a second thought, and turning them into fuel that can power an airplane. This not only provides a new use for these materials, but also helps in reducing the overall waste. This is the magic of SAF. It's about seeing potential where others see waste. Through innovative processes, these waste materials undergo a remarkable transformation. Advanced technologies break down and refine these materials into high-quality biofuels. They are converted into biofuels that meet the same stringent standards as conventional jet fuel, ensuring the safety and efficiency of our flights. This means that the performance of the aircraft is not compromised in any way. This circular approach to fuel production not only reduces our reliance on fossil fuels, but also helps to minimize waste and create a more sustainable and efficient use of resources. It's a win-win for both the environment and the aviation industry, paving the way for a greener future. When it comes to the environment, the difference between SAF and conventional jet fuel is stark. Traditional jet fuel, derived from fossil fuels, releases a significant amount of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere when burned. These emissions contribute to climate change, air pollution, and other environmental problems. SAF, on the other hand, offers a much cleaner alternative. By utilizing sustainable resources and reducing our dependence on fossil fuels, SAF helps to mitigate the environmental impact of aviation. It's a clear win for our planet and a crucial step towards a more sustainable future for air travel. Section 5. Reducing our carbon footprint, one flight at a time. Every journey we take, every flight we board, leaves a carbon footprint on our planet. But with SAF, we have the power to make our journeys more sustainable, one flight at a time. By choosing airlines that use SAF, by supporting policies that promote its production and adoption, and by advocating for a cleaner future for aviation, we can all play a part in reducing the environmental impact of our travels. It's a collective effort that requires the participation of governments, airlines, fuel producers, and passengers alike. But together, we can make a difference. Section 6. SAF in action, real-world examples. The transition to a more sustainable future for aviation is already underway. Around the world, airlines are embracing SAF, incorporating it into their operations, and demonstrating its viability as a cleaner alternative to traditional jet fuel. Major airlines have begun using SAF on select flights, showcasing its compatibility with existing aircraft and infrastructure. Airports are investing in SAF infrastructure, paving the way for wider adoption. These real-world examples demonstrate that the future of sustainable aviation is within reach. As the production of SAF scales up and costs decrease, we can expect to see its adoption become increasingly commonplace in the years to come. Section 7. The future is bright. SAF taking off. The aviation industry is on the brink of a transformative era. The future of aviation is painted in shades of green, with SAF as its driving force. Sustainable aviation fuel, or SAF, is not just a concept, but a reality that is gaining momentum. As technology advances and the demand for sustainable solutions grows, the aviation sector is witnessing a paradigm shift. SAF is poised to revolutionize the way we fly. It offers a cleaner, more efficient alternative to traditional jet fuel. Imagine a future where sustainable aviation fuel becomes the norm, where every flight contributes to a greener planet, where the skies are filled with aircraft powered by renewable resources. This vision is not far-fetched, but an achievable goal. Imagine airports transformed into hubs of sustainability, where every aspect of air travel is designed with the environment in mind. With SAF production facilities integrated into their infrastructure, these facilities will ensure a steady supply of renewable fuel. This is the future that SAF promises, a future where innovation meets responsibility, a future of cleaner skies, reduced emissions, and a significant decrease in the carbon footprint of air travel, and a healthier planet for all. The environmental benefits of SAF are immense, contributing to the global fight against climate change. It's a future worth striving for, a vision that aligns with global sustainability goals, and it's a future that's within our reach. With continued innovation and commitment, the widespread adoption of SAF is not just a dream, but an impending reality. Section 8. Overcoming challenges, a collaborative effort. The journey towards a fully sustainable aviation industry is not without its challenges. The production of SAF is still in its early stages, and scaling up to meet the global demand for jet fuel requires significant investment and innovation. Collaboration is key. Governments, airlines, fuel producers, and researchers must work together to develop policies that incentivize SAF production, support technological advancements, and ensure its affordability. By fostering partnerships and sharing knowledge, we can overcome these challenges and accelerate the transition to a more sustainable future for aviation. Section 9. Investing in a greener tomorrow, the economic benefits of SAF. The transition to SAF is not just an environmental imperative, it's an economic opportunity. Investing in SAF technologies, infrastructure, and production creates jobs, stimulates innovation, and strengthens energy security. By reducing our reliance on fossil fuels, we can create a more resilient and sustainable energy future for the aviation industry. The economic benefits of SAF extend beyond the aviation industry, creating ripple effects throughout the economy and contributing to a more sustainable and prosperous future for all. Section 10. A breath of fresh air, the positive impact on public health. The adoption of SAF not only benefits the environment but also has a positive impact on public health. Conventional jet fuel emissions contribute to air pollution, which can have detrimental effects on respiratory health, particularly in communities located near airports. By reducing these harmful emissions, SAF helps to improve air quality and create healthier living environments. This is particularly important in a world where air pollution poses a significant public health challenge, and it highlights the interconnectedness of environmental sustainability and human well-being. Section 11. Soaring towards a sustainable future. The future of aviation is bright, and sustainable aviation fuel is lighting the way. As we look to the skies with hope and anticipation, let us embrace the transformative potential of SAF. Let us support its development, champion its adoption, and work together to create a future where the wonder of flight is matched only by our commitment to protecting our planet. The journey towards a sustainable aviation industry is a collective one, and it's a journey worth taking. Together, we can soar towards a brighter, greener future, a future where the skies are alive with the promise of sustainable flight.